In this short tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to add music to WhatsApp status. This enhances the emotional impact of your message, helping to express feelings more effectively than words alone. It allows you to share your personality, mood, or current vibes with others. To do this, simply head to your WhatsApp. You want to tap right here to add any media. It can either be a photo or video. You will then tap onto this music icon right here. Now you can either scroll through these suggested songs, or simply search for any specific song or artist in the search bar. For any selected song, tap onto this arrow and it will get added to your selected photo or video. You can go ahead and choose any preferred part of the song, and then tap on Done to save changes. Once everything is set, tap right here to share to public. Well, that's how easy it is to add a song and photos and video on WhatsApp status. And if you find this video helpful, don't hesitate to give it a thumbs up. See you in the next one.